Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Akko CS Jelly Pink switches that I have had for a while now, and I just decided to make a review on them. These come in packs of 45 and they go for $12 on Akko's website or $17 on Amazon. The only benefit from Amazon is obviously you get faster shipping, while on Akko's website you still have to pay for shipping and it takes around 2 weeks. So depending on where you live, I'd probably recommend to go for Amazon. This is a light linear switch with an actuation force of 45 grams. It does have that progressive spring, so we're going to see that plus or minus 5 that we are used to seeing for most Akko switches. It has a total travel distance of 4 millimeters. The top and bottom housing are made out of polycarbonate and the stem is made out of palm. So overall, you get this very pretty looking switch with the pink color, of course, because it is a jelly pink. And if you are into light linears, then this is something that you should definitely check out. When it comes to sound signature, it does lean towards the clackier side. And if you are on a budget, this is probably the switch I'd recommend you guys check out if you wanted to go for a clacky build. Now, I will say when you lube them, the tone of the switch does get a little bit lower pitched, but it does still sound a bit clacky in my opinion. When it is stock, it's a higher pitched clack. I'll leave a quick sound test showing lubed versus unlubed here for you. So yeah, as you can tell, these definitely sound different when lubed versus unlubed. You know, unlubed does have that slight ticking to it, but when it comes to how smooth they are, it kind of feels the same in my opinion. It's just that you may prefer the sound of the lubed version better than the stock version. Here's a full sound test of these switches unlubed. So Akko has released a lot of switches in this lineup and they're very popular because of how budget friendly they are, and these are no different. I think these are a great option if you are looking for a light linear and want that clackier side of things, and they definitely feel good as well. There is a little slight tick to them when you don't have them lubed, and there is some spring ping that is noticeable, but if you have like more of a muted board, it won't be as noticeable as if you had like a hollow board. Now I will say that even unlubed, they still feel very nice to type on, and I kind of don't really have any complaints because you are getting a very good value deal. So even if they have the spring ping or the slight ticking, you know, you're paying a low price and you're getting some pretty good value out of these switches, especially if you want to take the time to lube them. I'll be leaving a link to them in the description below if you do want to check them out. But let me know what you guys think about these switches in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.